Let's sew the berry block with one little change. So this is the second berry block. And the difference between this one and the other one is this bottom corner area. So it has a half square triangle instead of a full square. This is what we are going to sew. It is part of the Berry Bloom quilt pattern that is included in the Patchwork Planner. You can grab a link for this in the description to get your own copy. If you're new here or just returning, hi, I'm Becky from Patchwork Posse and my online quilt group, Patchworkers Plus, where I help you sew all year long. So check the description for more information. I would love for you to join me inside there. Now let's get sewing the block. All right, I have followed the same instructions as before for this block. And you are now going to just lay these out green here. And this block is the one that has the half square triangle in the corner. All right, now this block is the one that is, I don't love that. Oh, I'm going to change this. This is the block that has the half square triangle in the corner. So I went ahead and followed the instructions, making our half square triangles. And when I laid this right here, it is too close to those. And so I switched it. This is a scrappy quilt. It's not really that big of a deal to move things around if you need to. So what I'm going to do is just repeat the same process for the other block. We are going to sew them into rows. So we've got 3 rows and then adding to each row that last column. All right, now we're going to sew our rows together. And just like before, you want to nest your seams so they lay flat and end up to be perfect seams. So just kind of wiggle them together. And we are going to sew this down. All right, this is the block. It's all nice and pressed. So you are just going to continue sewing as many as you need for the pattern. So check the link in the description to get your copy of this block inside the pattern.